Playing guitar is a heck of a lot of fun. A lot of people believe you have to learn a bunch of chords before you can actually play anything. You really only need 3 chords to play a lot of music. I'm going to show you the first of those 3 chords today. I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, and we're going to start off today with the G chord. Here's what it sounds like. Now this chord is actually easier than it looks. Let's go ahead and finger it. Follow along with me. Start with the pinky on the 1st string, that's the highest string, behind the 3rd fret. And when I say behind the 3rd fret, you want it close to the fret, but not on top of it. Next comes the 3rd finger right next to it on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Stretch over the 1st finger to the 5th string, 2nd fret. And the 2nd finger goes right there on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, the lowest string. Go ahead and play along with me 1 note at a time. Start with the 6th string, now the 5th, and keep going. You're looking to see how the notes sound, and you can make adjustments. If notes sound like this, that's more common than not. Go ahead and move your hand around. A couple of things will help. One is try to get your fingers a little closer to the fret, but again, not on top of it. The other thing is watch for the angle of your fingers. You want your angle to be up and down as much as possible without tensing. Now, to do that, you probably have to watch your wrist. You want it kind of hanging down and relaxed, not pushed up too far or too far back. And you want your wrist close to the fretboard, but not too far. You don't want to cram it up next to the fretboard, but not stretched away either. You'll see it takes a little bit of adjustment and time. I'll tell you this, if you stick with this, it'll be a short time before you look back and say, oh, I remember that chord used to be hard, and now it's no problem. You're probably thinking, how the heck am I going to remember where all those fingers go once I take them off? I'm going to show you a simple muscle memory exercise that'll help you to remember where to put the fingers and help you to use this chord in no time at all. To start off, let's go ahead and finger the chord. You don't have to do it in any particular order. I usually start from the lower strings. Now, when you have the chord, you're going to go ahead and take your fingers off and relax them. This is the first step. Follow along with me. Now, I usually like to shake my hand out a little bit. Then I'm going to give you a certain amount of time to get back to the chord. I'll give you to the count of 5. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Now, strike the chord and see how it sounds. Make any little adjustments that you need to, and don't worry if it's not perfect. Just give it about 5 seconds. Press down, and then release and start again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Strum it. Adjust. Maybe strum again. Okay, now give it a good press. You're making that muscle memory stick. You're going to feel it in your fingers. Now let go and relax. Okay, so this is something you want to do a little at a time and try to do it at least once a day, maybe even twice a day when you're just getting started.